Hello! To remove sound from videos on the Redmi Note 14, first of all let's go into the gallery and you have to select the video you want to remove sound from. So in my case it will be this video and it sounds like this. Hold on, let me just... I was basically tapping on my desk and yeah, that's how it sounds like. So right now to remove the sound we have to press these three dots right here. Or no, actually no, we have to go back, press right there, and now we have to press this scissors icon right here. And what we can do right now is to scroll right to the right here, go into the soundtracks, and right here we have to press this icon of this speaker. And as you can see, the original soundtrack is off right now, and basically we have to save it. And now it's being saved. And there are two copies of it. This one is with the sound, and the one that we saved just currently isn't. As you can see, there is no sound at all. So that's how to remove sound from videos on the Redmi Note 14. Thank you for watching.